So today we're going to learn how to solve addition and subtraction story problems. You can do this in different ways. You can use this sheet right here if you would like, or you can use right here, or you can use something in your math notebook, as long as you stay consistent with what you are doing. So the first thing you always do is you always read the problem. So let's read the problem. It says Robert has 6 fish. He buys 5 more. How many fish does he have now? Okay, so I need to write my number sentence. So I know that Robert has 6 fish, so I'm going to write 6. He buys 5 more. So if he's buying more, I'm going to be adding, and he's buying 5. How many fish does he have now? So it's asking me how many fish he has altogether. He didn't tell me how many he has altogether. He was asking me. So if you're using this sheet over here, you would just write 6 plus 5 equals, and then you would just circle it because you don't know yet. Then you have to pick a strategy. I'm going to draw a picture for my strategy. So I'm going to say Robert has 6 fish. So I'm just going to draw 6 fish. 1, 2, 3. My fish do not have to be perfect. 4, 5, 6. And if he buys 5 more, I'm not going to cross them out because he's getting more, so I'm going to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now I would count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I know that Robert has 11 fish. So 11 is my answer. I would write 11 right here where it says answer. I would just write 11. And right here where it says strategy, this is where you would have drawn your picture. A different strategy I could have done is I could have looked for my larger number, and I know my larger number is 6, and I could have counted on 5. So I put 6 in my brain, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I got the same answer. I could draw a picture or I could count on. So that's how we solve an addition story problem. Now we're going to solve a subtraction story problem. I can use this same sheet right here. So the first thing I always have to do is read the problem. Sam has 11 blocks. He gives 7 of them to Ted. How many does he have left? So I first need to write my number sentence to try and figure out what I'm solving for. So I know Sam has 11 blocks. And I know he gives 7 of them to Ted. And if he's giving some away, I know that is subtracting. So he's giving away 7 of them to Ted. How many does he have left? So I'm looking for the total right here of how many he has left. So now I need to pick a strategy. I'm going to use the strategy of drawing a picture. So I'm going to draw my 11 blocks. Again, my blocks do not have to be perfect. I'm going to make sure I drew 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I did. And so since he's giving some away, I'm going to X them out because these are blocks he does not have anymore. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then I would count how many does he have left. 1, 2, 3, 4. He has 4 blocks left. So I know that's the answer of how many does he have left. I would write my answer right here where it says answer. This is where I would write my 4. So those were some addition, and that was teaching you how to solve addition and subtraction problems. So in the next video, you're going to be practicing some addition and subtraction problems. So do your best, and remember, you always read the problem first. Then you write your number sentence. Then you pick your strategy, and then you figure out your answer. So remember to always, always, always write your number sentence because this will help you figure out what you are looking for. Thank you.